Welcome to Empowering Your Literacy for Change fundraising campaign. We are thrilled to have you join us as a Literacy for Change peer-to-peer fundraiser. This tutorial will equip you with essential tools and knowledge to confidently kick off your fundraising journey. Literacy for Change is York County Library's annual 24-hour online day of giving, held this year on October 10th, 2025. We have a bold goal to raise $500,000, and we can't do this without you. York County is a place where people like us get things done. That's who we are. Right now, our neighbors need us, especially those waiting too long for a book, struggling to access Wi-Fi, or trying to help their children catch up on reading after a tough few years. Did you know that 1 in 4 York County adults struggle with basic literacy, limiting access to jobs, healthcare, and financial stability? Or that schools partner with our libraries to help get kids ready for kindergarten and prevent summer reading loss? And that many families don't have internet access at home, making digital resources a necessity, not a luxury. Or that teens face unprecedented mental health challenges. Libraries provide safe spaces for conversations that matter. And a single book costs a library $20 to $40, while an ebook license can cost over $60 per copy, and those expire. Your participation isn't just about raising money, it's about change. You will join a movement with other library champions to help YCL in our quest to create awareness and raise money to fuel learning, digital access, and lifelong education opportunities. You will be instrumental in creating the change to break barriers of economic mobility and lifelong learning for thousands of people in your individual communities across York County. What is peer-to-peer fundraising? It's an individual or a group who champions a cause by helping spread awareness and raising money. Peer-to-peer fundraising is the person on Facebook who's raising money for a community garden or a cancer walk. Peer-to-peer fundraising is also part of the Penn State Mini-Thon. It's about people supporting people. Library champions who elect to be peer-to-peer fundraisers create a personal fundraising page. Don't worry, YCL has created a tutorial video with step-by-step instructions for setting up your page. Fundraisers then encourage their friends, family, coworkers, and social networks to make an online donation to Literacy for Change through your fundraising page. It's that simple. Why is peer-to-peer fundraising so powerful? As a fundraiser, you can reach people that YCL might not be able to reach. Your library's story brings a human touch that helps others connect with the campaign. According to a Nielsen global study, 92% of people trust recommendations from people they know. If you've decided to join us as a peer-to-peer fundraiser, welcome aboard. Let's review a few decisions you will need to make to help you hit the ground running. But first, going forward, we will refer to peer-to-peer fundraisers as simply fundraisers. The first decision you will make is whether to fundraise as a team or solo. Fundraising solo will be a more personalized approach that resonates your passion for the library directly with your network. Fundraising on a team could include your family, friends, a club, a sports team, or place of employment. Teams can reach a wider network and can increase the motivation and the fun. Maybe your book club wants to challenge another book club to see who can raise the most money. Goals for peer-to-peer fundraisers can have wide ranges, and we encourage you to consider a goal that is a stretch but also attainable. This will vary from person to person and team to team. $100 may be an appropriate goal for one person, while $10,000 may be appropriate for another. Regardless of what goal you set, remind your potential donors that every dollar counts. Consider the people in your world. Remember, our friends, family, and networks are often genuinely interested in what we're doing, and many want to support us. By inviting them to support Literacy for Change, we're providing an opportunity to join us in something meaningful. They may choose not to, which is okay, but if we don't ask, we have made that decision for them and have taken away their opportunity to support our community. When promoting literacy for change, there are more ways than ever to get the word out. You will want to employ several channels for sharing your message to ensure you reach all of your prospects. Check out YCL's Literacy for Change website to learn more about how you can create the change to break barriers of economic mobility and lifelong learning for people across York County.
Hello everyone. This short tutorial will explain the process of setting up an individual or team fundraiser page for York County Library's Literacy for Change event. To get started, first go to literacyforchange.org from any internet browser. This will take you to the main donation page for Literacy for Change. On the right side of your screen, you can make a one-time or recurring donation. If you wish to help us fundraise for Literacy for Change, scroll down and click the Start a Fundraiser button. The next screen will give you two options: to fundraise as a team or as an individual. We'll demonstrate the process for an individual first. Click Create My Own Page to get started. On this page, you can create a new account or log in to an existing Give Lively account. Give Lively is the technology that powers the fundraising platform. You may be prompted to verify your email. If so, check your inbox for an email from Give Lively and click the secure link to confirm your email and log into your new account. Click Confirm Creation of your fundraising page. Now, fill in the details and set a fundraising goal to finish setting up your fundraising page. Don't forget to click Save. Your fundraising page is now ready to share. Click the Copy link or Share this page buttons to share your page on social media, email, or text. If you ever need to edit your page or set a new fundraising goal, click the Edit Page button to make changes. Team fundraising is a great way to spread the word about Literacy for Change. As a group, you and your friends, coworkers, club members, and other groups can set a higher fundraising goal and support our mission. From the main Literacy for Change page, click the Start a Fundraiser button. From this screen, there are two options for team fundraising. Join a team lets you search for an existing team. Click the Create a Team button to make a new team. Please note that the person who creates the new team will be assigned as the team leader. On the next page, you can create a new account or log in to an existing Give Lively account. Now it's time to give your team a name. Type your desired team name here and click Submit. As team leader, you can edit the details for your team's page. This includes adding a personalized note about the team, uploading a logo or image, and setting fundraising goals for the team and each of its members. Once you're finished, click the Save button. Your team page is now complete. Now, you can either edit your personal fundraising page or view your team's page. We'll select Take Me to My Team page. This is the team's fundraising page. Click the Copy link or Share this page buttons to invite people to join your team. Also, non-team members can use the Donate buttons to make a donation to the team or one of its members. As the team leader, you also have a few additional tools in the top right corner of your screen. You can manage members, edit the team page or fundraising goal, or post an update for team members to see.